I'm back with another video. I'm gonna do, quick unboxing. There's a couple of accessories that I just got, for free with my pre-order, the credit. Got the Galaxy Buds 2. I also got the wireless charger Trio. 25 watt fast supercharger. Because they don't give you that no more. And flip cover with S Pen. I paid a little difference for some of them because it's on a $20 credit, but so first I'm gonna go ahead and do the Galaxy Buds. You got clear, rich sound with two-way speakers, active noise canceling, comfortable fit. Got 520 hour playtime. Now, I never had a pair of Galaxy Buds, so this will be my first time. Come on now. Oops, my bad. All right. Right here. A white casing. Probably would have been nice if we would have got, black case or something. These are the buds. All right. Then here is the charger. I'm not gonna pull that out, but that's the charger. Now, go ahead and open this up. Fuck it. There you go. They couldn't make, the box a little bit bigger on their phones to put the case in here. The charger for this little small thing, but they waste all this cardboard paper. Makes no sense. Wireless charger, charge together 3-in-1. You got it's only 9 watt fast charging, which is slow. But if you put it on your bed when you go to nighttime, you'll be good the next day. Charge the phone, the watch, and your buds, or 2 phones, whatever you got. All right, so we got this. Okay, liking it. Comes with the USB-C super fast charging brick. And you have USB-C to USB-C. That's all we got in here. Quick start guide. Put that to the side. Last, got the flip cover with pen. Now, the only reason I picked this one is for the pen. Of course, it's free, but I won't be using this case as my daily case because I don't really like the flip covers. All right, got the S Pen. Now, this one was made specific for the new Z Fold 3 with a retractable tip, so that way you can, not damage your screen. Got the receiver, some extra tips, the booklet. And there you go. Quick unboxing. Till next time.